Hi guys. Earning passive income is one of the best way to achieve financial freedom, and the good news in you do not need year of experience to start. With the right strategies. You can build multiple income streams that generate $100 a day or more. Here are 5 beginner friendly passive income ideal to get your started. Number 1, create and sell digital product. How it may work. Digital product like ebook, printable course or templates can be created once and sold repeatedly. If you have a skill or knowledge in a particular area, writing, design, photography, you can create a product to sell on platform like Etsy, Gumroad or Adme. For example, sell a well-designed printable planner or an introductory online course. Income potential. With a higher quality product and effective marketing, you can make $100 a day or more through continuous sale. Number two, affiliate marketing. How it works? Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people product or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. You can do this by creating a blog, YouTube channel or social media profile where you are recommended product you be generally like and believe in. Many companies like Amazon and Clickbank offer affiliate program. Income potential. Start by sharing product you use and trust. Over time, as your audience grows, you can scale this to a steady stream of income by promoting multiple product or services. Number three, invest in dividing paying stock. How it works? Dividing stock are companies they pay out a portion of their profit of shareholder regularly. By investing in dividing paying stock, you can earn passive income without doing anything after the initial investment. To start, open an account with the brokers like Robinhood or E-Trade and invest in reliable dividend paying companies like Johnson and Johnson or Coca-Cola. Income potential. With consistent investment over time, you can build a portfolio that earn you $100 or more in divided each day. Number four, start a YouTube channel. How it works? While YouTube requires some upfront effort, once you have created valuable content, your video can generate passive income through and revenue, affiliate marketing, and sponsorship. Choose a niche that you enjoy and create videos that provide value, such as tutorial, review, or entertainment content. Income potential. Once a monetized, popular video can continue to earn revenue for month or year after they posted. Channel that gain traction can easily earn $100 a day from view and ad review revenue. Number five, rent out a room or property. How it works? If you have an extra room, garage, or an entire property, consider renting it out through platform like Airbnb, Verbo, or even renting space for storage through Neighborhood. You will earn passive income from renting without much ongoing effort. Alternatively, if you are not comfortable with sport term rental, consider long term rent. Income potential drops depending on your location and the space you have. You can charge enough to make $100 a day or more with just single rental listing. Final thought. These passive income ideas offer a great way to start earning $100 a day without prior experience. While some required on upfront time or monetary investment, the rewards can lead to consistent income stream with little ongoing effort. The key to success in consistently providing value and reinvesting your in earning to grow your passive income source over time.